Hi, third grade. It's me, Mrs. Maher. I hope you're all doing well. I have heard that you have been working so hard with your remote learning, and your teachers are so very proud of you. I'm here because every year at the end of the year, when the third grade teachers are counting down to the end of the year, I get to come over. They invite me to be a mystery reader for the third graders, and I get to see all of you, my old friends, and read a story to you. So I am going to do that right now, except not from the Anna McDonald lunchroom, but my house, which is where we all are doing our learning and finishing up our school year. So I chose one of the books that I read with my son Emmett, and it is called The View at the Zoo, written by Kathleen Long Bostrom. And what I like about this book is the whole time they're talking about a view at the zoo that we may not expect. So watch for that. The View at the Zoo. Rise and shine. Attention, please. Monkeys, get down from those trees. Wake your cubs up, Mrs. Bear. Mr. Lion, comb that hair. Elephant, please wipe your nose. Pink flamingos, on your toes. All giraffes, please stand up straight. That's more like it. You look great. All is ready. Come on in. Let the day of fun begin. My, what silly things they do. All these creatures at the zoo. Walking on all kinds of feet, dancing to an inner beat. Babies riding on their backs, on their bellies, snug in sacks. Hear the silly sounds they speak as they howl and squawk and shriek. How they eat, they never stop. That one looks that one looks about to pop. See them prance, primp and preen, trying to stay nice and clean. Some of them are quite a fright. Watch your fingers, they might bite. Sun is setting in the sky. Everybody say goodbye. Please go home so we can sleep. It's time for us to count our sheep. Whew, they're leaving. Off they go. They put on quite a show. What a hoot, folks have no clue. The view that we have at the zoo. The end. So I like that because it's something different. The animals are talking about what they see in the people, and they're really watching the people all day. So a fun short little story for you at the end of the year, boys and girls. I hope that you had a wonderful year at Anna McDonald. Usually when I read the story, I get to say hello to you for a little while and hear all about all the ways that Anna McDonald is so much fun. I hope you all loved the time that you got to spend on your Anna McDonald team this year. I know that there's so many fun things that third grade teachers do with you and that you get to do now that you are an older student at Anna McDonald. So I hope it was, although it ended different, I hope it was a really, really great year for you. And I hope that we continue to see you if you are at Wilson Creek with younger brothers or sisters, or if we see you around town. I hope you're all doing well and that you have a very, very wonderful summer. Take care. Bye.